Materials required: colored crepe papers, newspaper, adhesive, scissors, toothpick. First, cut out a long strip of crepe paper. Fold this strip lengthwise to keep it about 8 cm wide. Now, make equal distance cuts about 5 cm deep along the entire length of the folded sheet using your scissors. Slowly spread out the cuts. Now, take a toothpick and roll the cuts inwards. Next, roll old newspapers to make a holding stick. Now, slowly wrap the cut crepe paper strip around the newspaper stick and apply adhesive to paste its ends. Next, cover the remaining parts of the stick with green kite paper. Your flower stick is ready. In the same way, you can use different colored crepe papers to make many other flowers.